Tennis is a really expensive sport, I would say, and if you don't have sponsors or good financial background, I don't think it's really that easy.
Covering such a big court, so how difficult it is just to manage?
Very challenging sport. You just not have to reach the ball, but think where you have to hit. You have to use your brain. Then eye-hand coordination comes into play. When you play the Russian opponents, they are very aggressive on court, so they kind of show their emotions quite a lot. So that kind of gets into your head sometimes.
अगर आपको एक क्वालिटी सभी प्लेयर से लेनी हो, what will be the one aspect you think I will get from the players?
The fighting spirit that Nadal has, that has always inspired me. The grace and the finesse that Federer has, that always is so amazing to watch on screen. And the resilience that Novak is showing. Long term is obviously like playing the Grand Slam and winning the Grand Slam for India, and then playing the Olympics and winning it for India.
National champion and international medalist. Our guest today is in the top 10 rankings in Indian women's circuit. आज जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, इन्होंने भारत का तिरंगा लहराया है. ब्रिक्स 2024 में रशिया में जाकर भारत के लिए ब्रॉन्ज मेडल अपने नाम किया हमारे देश के लिए. और टेनिस सर्किट में जिस तरीके से 5 साल की उम्र से अब तक बेहतरीन खेल का प्रदर्शन दिखाया है और कई सारे नेशनल टाइटल्स इन सिंगल्स एंड डबल्स बोथ दोनों ही जीते हैं. और इसी के साथ वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग नेम जो टेनिस सर्किट में है. आई इंट्रोड्यूस आवर गेस्ट फॉर टुडेज शो, आकांक्षा निपुरे. Akanksha, welcome to Sports Tonight.
Thank you for having me.
So first of all, Akanksha, the thing that surprised me, you started your journey from 5 years, at the age of 5 years. So how difficult it was, the beginning, at the age only of 5 years, like सब बच्चे toys और उसके पीछे खेलते हैं, you know, and then you are picking up the racket.
So yeah, it was obviously difficult starting from the age of 5. It was very young, but so my dad was a professor in college, but he loved playing sports, all the sports, and he was fond of tennis. So he had it in his mind that even if it is a girl or a boy child, it has to be a tennis player. So it was already decided before I was even born. So it was always there in our house, that watching tennis matches when I was young and all of that. And I started my tennis journey with my dad as a coach. So that kind of helped me a lot.
कौन सबसे ज़्यादा supportive रहे हैं अब तक in your career? If you see, who are the people behind you? वो journey में इनके बारे में.
I mean, obviously, अगर family का support नहीं होता है तो it is not possible at all. My father did the coaching himself, and then he started coaching me under him when I was 5. And then my mother traveled with me all over the world and now all over the country also. From traveling in trains, because starting में तो इतना नहीं था, मुंबई में ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करते थे, बस से ट्रैवल करते थे, तो स्ट्रगल तो पूरे फैमिली का सपोर्ट नहीं होगा तो फिर you can't really achieve what you want to. And obviously I've had so many good coaches around my journey, so obviously coaches and parents are the biggest support.
And when was the moment that you genuinely felt कि breaking into top 10 rankings is not that difficult, you could achieve that moment?
So I think 2024 2023 में I was struggling a lot with my injuries, so I actually dropped out of top 50 out of India. So after coming out of the injuries and trying to get back into playing matches was only a difficult task. I never imagined that I would break into top 10 so early. But after, I think in 2024, I started playing again a few tournaments after the injury, and I performed well. I won 5 lakh women's tournament, and then I performed well in the nationals also, and then I had that top 300 win. So I think after that, I kind of felt that yeah, I can break into top 10.
इंजरी की आपने बात कही, how difficult it is to get back from an injury on the court, not only just physical way, लेकिन mentally भी कितना prepare होना पड़ता है, क्योंकि tennis is such a sport, whether you talk about knee and elbow और हर चीज, ये गेम में इंजरी से बच के कैसे खेले and how do you recover from it?
I think इंजरी से बचने का तो कोई इलाज नहीं है, but मेरे को elbow और wrist injury थी, and it took like around 6 months for me to recover, because I was only practicing but not able to play tournaments properly, and it took me 6 months to recover, but then 1.5 years to actually perform and play in the tournament circuit. So I think बचने का तो कोई इलाज नहीं है, but I had a good team around me and supportive parents, of course, who believed in me कि हाँ होगा, let's keep patience and not lose hopes. So I think that helped a lot.
और वो मोमेंट के बारे में जानना चाहूंगा, थोड़ा पहले जाना चाहूंगा, जब पहला नेशनल टाइटल आपने जीता. तो इतने सारे नेशनल टाइटल्स आपने जीते, लेकिन वो जो फर्स्ट टाइटल के बारे में, वो यादगार, वो रिएक्शन कैसा था सभी का, एंड हाउ वर यू फीलिंग इट उस विन के बारे में?
आई थिंक बचपन से तो बहुत टूर्नामेंट्स खेले, बहुत जीते हैं, बहुत हारे भी है, बट आई थिंक जब मैंने जूनियर नेशनल्स जीता था क्ले कोर्ट पे, दैट वाज अ बिग विन फॉर मी इन जूनियर सर्किट, बिकॉज उस समय भी आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड लाइक performing well in junior circuits, but I didn't play that many junior tournaments. My father had a thing ki let's start playing women's directly so that we don't waste time on playing junior circuits that long. But I played a few tournaments, I performed well, और फिर जब मैं junior nationals singles और doubles में जीती, so I think that moment was really memorable.
वो कितना डिफिकल्ट था क्योंकि लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स, वो कई प्लेयर्स होते हैं जो शुरुआती समय से ही सीनियर्स के अगेंस्ट खेलते हैं, तो वो टाइम पे उनके अगेंस्ट खेलना, और जब आप बड़े एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर के सामने खेलती है, सो हाउ डू यू मेंटली प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ फॉर, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर गोइंग एंड यू नो कि दिस इज अ एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर, थोड़ा सा तो वो एक आ जाता है बैक ऑफ द माइंड, क्या कुछ कैसे होता है समथिंग?
प्रेशर तो होता ही है, चाहे तुम लाइक कोई जूनियर प्लेयर के अगेंस्ट खेल रहे हो या तो बहुत एक्सपीरियंस प्लेयर के अगेंस्ट खेल रहे हो, या हायर रैंक या लोअर रैंक या सिमिलर रैंक, pressure तो is in every match. But I think because I started playing women's tournaments from a very young age, because of my father, he decided that I would play women's from very young age. So I think that helped me कि अभी भी when I play against bigger opponents, I'm already used to it. So that actually helped.
एंड 2024 रशिया का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था? यू वर प्लेइंग फॉर इंडिया, ब्रिक्स का वो टूर्नामेंट, वो पूरा फीलिंग कैसी थी इन प्लेइंग इंडिया, इन प्लेइंग इन फॉरेन कंट्रीज, उस बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, एंड द ब्रॉन्ज मेडल.
So we had a good team, women's and men's ka. Men's also got the bronze medal, and starting में we were not having high expectations, but because Russia की team थी, Belarus की team भी थी, they were all really good, higher rank, like much higher rank than us. They were all in top 200s, 150, and we were all in 600, 700s. But I think team supported quite a lot, and we went out there without any pressure. We just went out there and played for India, so that was a great feeling.
एंड अहमदाबाद में जैसे कि रैंकिंग्स की हमने बात की, कैरोलिना मार्टिनेज के सामने आपने मैच खेला, आपका रैंकिंग उस टाइम पे अराउंड 842 समथिंग था, एंड अपोनेंट वो का रैंकिंग 228 समथिंग, बिग डिफरेंस, लेकिन उनके सामने विन, हाउ डिफिकल्ट इट इज, और वो कितना एंकरेजिंग और कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करता है इन योर जर्नी, सच बिग विन्स?
It is obviously a big win for me, and उसके पहले एक दो टूर्नामेंट थे जब I played higher rank players like 200, 150 rank players, and I lost like third set tie breaks. So वो मेरे दिल में था कि बहुत close matches हार रही हूँ. So when I went into that match, I was pumped and I was motivated कि हाँ, I have played close matches against top 200 players before, so I knew I could do it, and I just kept playing, and I think that was the biggest win.
और आपका फेवरेट कोर्ट कौन सा होगा, if we talk about clay, hard, grass?
So junior nationals मैं clay court पे जीती हूँ surprisingly, but I've always practiced on hard, so I prefer hard courts, and my games I also prefer hard, but I have not played on grass, so I don't know about grass, but I would prefer hard court over clay courts.
Okay, and you play singles and doubles both, दोनों में आप मेडल जीती हैं. What do you enjoy most, singles or doubles?
Singles I like more, but doubles is always fun because you have your partner and it's more relaxed, I would say, because you have someone to lean on even if you mess up a few points. But I prefer singles personally.
Yeah. How do you train for singles and doubles both? Because many young players जो ये interview देख रहे हैं, if they have a doubt कि how do I prepare myself for singles and doubles, वो कैसे differentiate कैसे करता है, what element?
So at this stage of point, we don't have a particular partner, or we don't get to play with your partner like the whole year. We just go in the tournament and then we play together. So we can work on ourselves. हमारे जो strokes है, हमारी volleys, जैसे doubles में reaction volleys are most important. Returns and serves are really important. So I think we can work on that aspect, and also having a good connection with your partner always helps. Even if you don't practice together always, if you like spending time with that person who you're playing doubles with, so I think that would show on the court.
Because ऑफ द कोर्ट भी वो बॉन्डिंग बहुत जरूरी
Yes.
होता होगा. भारत के जो डिफरेंट प्लेयर्स हैं जो अच्छा कर रहे हैं, उनके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, उनके साथ बॉन्डिंग, उनके साथ इंटरेक्शन इन द इंडियन वुमेन सर्किट, अबाउट द प्लेयर्स.
I think women's circuit में तो we are all on court जाने के बाद it's very different, but off the court we are all really good friends. We go out in the tournaments if we get time, थोड़ा change of mind and change of place के लिए. So I think off the court we are all chill. On the court everybody is out there to win. So yeah.
And what is the current scenario of Indian tennis, especially if we talk about women's, in the global map?
I think we have really good players coming up, very good juniors coming up, and I think we have like right now Srivali, Sahaja, bigger names who are already in top 300, 400, and they are doing really well in 120 bigger events like 125k and 250 that is happening in India. So I think everybody is working hard. धीरे धीरे करके we are also getting opportunities now to play in India such big tournaments. So I think we will come up higher in the world rankings soon.
And what do you think ki India, whether it be government, whether it be federation, what should they do or how do we grow in the next 5 to 10 years in Indian women's circuit?
I think before like 2-3 years before there were not many tournaments happening in India. We had to spend so much money to go out and play the same level of tournaments outside. Now it's much better in terms of having tournaments in India. I think ITA is also doing a great job. But they can do much more tournaments in India so that we players don't have to spend so much going outside, because we have good infrastructures also in India. And now because we have good players coming up, so many good juniors performing so well. So I think if they kind of conduct more tournaments in India, we have to spend less. We are more adapted to our conditions than outsiders.
Correct.
And then we have our crowd support also
Yeah.
in some places. So I think that would be a really game-changing one.
So जब आपके फैमिली या फिर क्लोज वंस आपका मैच देख रहे हैं, डू यू गेट ऐसा प्रेशर, एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती है, स्पेशली व्हेन यू नो दे आर वाचिंग फ्रॉम देयर, सो वो कैसा मोमेंट होता है कि इफ यू लूज अ पॉइंट डू यू अवॉइड आई कॉन्टेक्ट और समथिंग लाइक दैट?
When I was junior, actually, I used to be really stressed if my family or friends are watching, because I thought, okay, they are expecting me to win or
Right.
something. But right now, because you are used to people watching you from so many places, and you don't even know them, and they are watching, supporting you. So now, kind of, we are used to it, to having crowd in our support or maybe against our support. So I think now it's fine. But in juniors, it was obviously there कि हाँ कोई देख रहा है family वाला, तो let's perform nicely, you know.
एंड टेनिस को भी फाइनली एक वो लीग मिली जिसकी जरूरत थी टू ग्रो द स्पोर्ट, द टेनिस प्रीमियर लीग. अबाउट द लीग, वो लीग में खेलने का एक्सपीरियंस एंड हाउ मच सच इनिशिएटिव्स विल हेल्प टेनिस ग्रो एज अ स्पोर्ट इन इंडिया?
डेफिनेटली लाइक उसकी वजह से बहुत अवेयरनेस बढ़ी है टेनिस के लिए, बिकॉज आई डोंट थिंक पहले इतना था. देयर आर ओनली फ्यू स्पोर्ट्स इन इंडिया दैट गेट द लाइमलाइट. टेनिस वाज नॉट वन ऑफ दोस. But now after the league also, and people who are performing well on the world stage, I think people are knowing the sport more and showing interest more. And league is always fun. I've played a few years with TPL, so I think it's the fun concept to have so many players sitting on your side and cheering for you. Leander Pace, Rohan Bopanna, big names being on the court with you. So I think it's very fun and very exciting. For sure.
एंड आपने लेजेंड्स का नाम लिया, लिएंडर पेस, रोहन बोपन्ना. जब इन लेजेंड्स के साथ आप मिलती हैं, इंटरेक्शन कैसे होता है, क्या क्या चीजें यू टेक एडवाइसेस फ्रॉम देम, कुछ उस बारे में?
I mean, they are really down to earth, that's for sure. It's always great conversations with them. If you have anything, doubt or support, you need anything regarding your game or anything, they are always there to help. So I think unke taraf se they are doing so much for the sport, and they have done so much for the sport. So it's always like there are so many things you can learn from them. So I think I've had really good conversation with both of them, and many more other players like Sania Mirza and Mahesh Bhupati. So yeah, it's been really nice.
Any funny moment that has happened to you on the court?
I mean, singles में इतना नहीं होता है. Singles is more intense, I would say. Doubles में होता है, if you miss a shot, you look at your partner, you laugh it out, you will like, okay fine, चल next point देखेंगे type. But I think singles is more of a really serious game, because you are alone on the court. There's no one supporting you. Sometimes there's no one on your stands also, because you travel alone outside. Maybe there are 100 people who are supporting your opponent. So it's kind of a very lonely sport, singles, I would say. But doubles always is more fun, because you can lean on someone. So yeah.
और जैसे कि इंटरनेशनल सर्किट में when we see grand slams, there are lot of times, you know, Novak Djokovic says the referee कि ऑडियंस को आप कहे कि रुके, because a lot of time जब सपोर्टर्स अपोनेंट के खिलाफ होते हैं, वो एक बिल्डअप आ जाता है, and then you see a lot of players breaking their rackets in international circuit. तो आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि you are so angry, or whether your opponent doing such things, ऐसे कभी on court aggression?
I mean, होता ही है. Sometimes when you play the Russian opponents, especially, I would say, they are very aggressive on court. So they kind of show their emotions quite a lot. So that kind of gets into your head sometimes. But it happens with the crowd also. Maybe the crowd is supporting your opponent quite a lot on every point. So hota hai, you get irritated, but that's how you have to manage yourself and stay calm and focus on your things and not let outside things get into your mind.
And what's the one piece of advice that you have got, whether from your coaches or parents, that you would like to share with us?
From my house, we have always dreamed big. Even if when I was playing juniors, we always dreamed to playing women's and performing well in women's and then playing for India. So I think smaller goals are always good, but always dream big.
Correct, correct. And right now we see that Akansha Netore has made it into top 10 circuit. But only you know कि कितने challenges आए इस सफर में. तो इस सफर के वो challenges के बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहूँगा, from small to big, and कैसे उन challenges को पार करते हुए आप आगे बढ़ी.
Challenges तो starting से ही होते हैं because this was not a popular sport and totally going into the sport 100% was a conscious decision that my family also made. And then financially it is very expensive sport because you have to yearly you have to travel like so many weeks abroad. So spending so much yourself is really not possible in India. So having support from your sponsors, that was a difficult thing because I won my junior nationals. Till then I didn't have any sponsors. After that I started getting, I have two sponsors now, which makes me able to travel abroad. Otherwise it's really difficult to play 16 to 18 weeks a year to just make few points. So that is the biggest challenge. Then injuries come into play. So you have to keep your body, your mind prepared. Not only tennis, but there are so many things outside. You have to keep your mind really prepared for your performance. You have to keep your physical. Then your nutrition has to be really good. Then your family should be in support for sure. And then you have to have a good team with you, like a good coach, then good SNC, fitness trainer, then a good nutritionist. So I think everything, if you have together, then only it is possible.
And we have talked about the sponsor element. और टेनिस की बात करेंगे हम, अगर टेनिस की बात करेंगे, so टेनिस का kit, if we talk about the price, एक प्रोफेशनल प्लेयर का, what do you think, how much expensive it is? If you can give us the numbers, whether it be a single racket or the whole tennis kit, just for the audience.
So the professional rackets are around 20 to 25,000 per racket, and we generally carry like 4 to 5 rackets minimum. And then we have the gut rolls, that is around one roll is 12,000, and that finishes in 1 or 3 months. So everything is really expensive. We worn out our shoes like in 1 or 2 months, and one shoes is around 4 to 5k. So tennis is a really expensive sport, I would say, and if you don't have sponsors or a good financial background, I don't think it's really that easy to break into top.
Do you think sponsors are now shifting their gear from cricket to other sports as well? Tennis is finally getting the recognition and the sponsors. What do you think about it?
It is shifting from cricket, I would say, and getting to know other sports. Well, badminton is there, then squash, we are seeing India is doing good. But I think still we can give other sports much more recognition that it needs, and because there are so many players nowadays that are coming in tennis also especially. So I think we are better than before, but we could be much better.
And I think I also blame the audience who was watching this interview behind the camera, that you should come up in the stands, you should support. So audience के लिए आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I mean, मैं बस यही कहूँगी, एक बार ट्राई करके देखो, दूसरे स्पोर्ट्स भी देखना, इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. क्रिकेट तो है ही, पर I think there are so many other sports now. Badminton is doing so well. So many junior players I've seen coming in badminton, table tennis, squash, then chess now we have, tennis we have. So yeah, I mean, come out there, support us also.
Many ex-players are now going into pickleball. Have you played pickleball till now?
I mean, yeah, I've played here and there. But yeah, I mean, it is a nice, quick sport, easy sport for everyone to play. And it has got a really good boost in terms of fame, and everybody is playing. All the actresses are playing. So it has got the fame. It's nice, I would say.
And who has been your idol in this journey?
So on the world stage, I would say I have always looked up to Serena. And my age, Serena, Azarenka, Sharapova were always there. Nadal has always been my favorite player amongst the top three goats. But in India, I would say Sania Mirza has always been an idol looking up to. From India, she's gone up to being top 50 in singles and top on the double circuit. So I think she's always been an inspiration.
I was about to reach there to the big three, the element that we all talk about, because we have grown seeing up them, Federer, Nadal, Djokovic. So अगर आपको एक quality, एक element सभी players से लेनी हो, what will be the one aspect do you think I will get from the players?
I think the fighting spirit that Nadal has, that has always inspired me, and that's why I love watching him personally. The grace and the finesse that Federer has, that always is so amazing to watch on screen. So everybody loved watching him. And the resilience that Novak is showing at this age and this stage, he's always now also reaching a Grand Slam finals. So I mean, that's commendable. So I think he's the GOAT, but I personally like watching Nadal.
So for you, Nadal is your favorite.
Yes.
Yes. And if we talk about the next generation, which is coming up after big three, there is Carlos and Yannick Sinner. उनके बारे में, when you see the sport, what do you think? उनके बारे में क्या आपका राय है?
I mean, the level is really crazy. The physicality is out of this world. They are lasting for like 3-4 hours. Recently, Carlos played against Zverev, and that match was, the level was really amazing, and they played for 4.5 hours. So I think the physicality of the sport has changed quite a lot, because the balls and courts have become smaller, shorter, and it has become slower. The balls are slower now. So the points are lasting very long. So everybody has, like, physically it's very tiring. But I think the level has become really good with the young generation coming in. The level is.
And how difficult it is for a player playing in singles, covering such a big court, running from here and there. So how difficult it is just to manage, just to reach to the ball.
I mean, it is very challenging sport. Like, you have to cover the court. You just not have to reach the ball, but think where you have to hit. You have to use your brain. Then eye-hand coordination comes into play. Then you have to make a plan where you want to hit and what will be the next move of the opponent. Then you have to run, and then to last the point so long, and then last the match for 4.5 hours. So endurance is needed. So I think it is like a total package that you need for tennis. It's not only like if you have speed or endurance, you can just win the matches. You need to have brains also.
Yeah. और थोड़ा बचपन के बारे में आपके जानना चाहूंगा मैं कि कैसे आपने इतनी शुरुआत समय से स्टार्ट किया, देन पढ़ाई को बैलेंस करना, वो सब बैलेंस करके कैसे आपका चाइल्डहुड के बारे में इफ यू कैन.
So personally, मैंने तो पढ़ाई को थोड़ा सा साइड में कर दिया था, because my parents also made that decision that you kind of focus totally on tennis, because my father had a big dream that he believed in me that I can do, and my mother sacrificed so much herself. So I think starting se, because my family was very clear with the idea that she has to be a tennis player, I think that kind of gave me a thing कि और कुछ मैंने देखा ही नहीं और कुछ सोचा ही नहीं. From the age of 5, I started playing tennis, until now I am playing tennis, and I will continue also. So I think that kind of helped कि my parents were very clear with the idea of what I have to do in life.
And टेनिस ने आपके जीवन में आपको क्या-क्या लाइफ लेसन्स दिए हैं, if you can share with us?
I think no school or college can actually teach you the actual life lessons that sport or anything else out of that can teach you. We have traveled so much abroad and everywhere in the world. So I think that kind of helps you a lot, meeting new people, talking to new people every day, playing so many tough matches, losing so many matches to win only one match. So that kind of really takes a toll. So yeah, that kind of builds your personality.
And do you follow any pre-match rituals?
There are a few rituals. I have my warm-up routine. I have a few things that I do pre-match. So yeah, everybody I think has a pre-match ritual.
And how do you celebrate a win as well as when you lose a match? What other things do you do? Like, do you go watch your match again, or do you have a discussion with someone? How do you process after a match, after a game?
I think it's very different for every player. Yeah. But I personally like to take a little time with myself and not talk to anyone right after my match. But after that, obviously, if my match is recorded somewhere, I would love to watch it and see where I lagged in that particular match. And also talk to my coach or my mental trainer what happened and what I feel about it. And then prepare for the next match, because you lose much more than you win. So yeah.
And right now, Akanksha, what is the one thing or the part of your game that you are focusing and you are trying to improve?
I mean, there's always scope to improve in every shot or everything you do. But right now, with my coach, I think we are trying to work on my serves quite a lot. It's been really helpful, and it has become much better. So when approaching the net, because I don't think a lot of female players do that. It's mostly a baseline game. But because I have really good hands and I do a lot of slices and drops, my game is a little different than others. So I think we are working on all that aspects. Right?
And if you have to describe yourself in a single word, what it will be and why?
That's a difficult question. But I think I would say different,
Okay.
because I kind of have a real different game and different approach to tennis. Because I don't see a lot of players using slices and drops and approaching the net so much. So I think that my father's always, like from the start, I have been doing all that in my juniors also. That was really standout part for me in juniors that helped me achieve so much in juniors also. So I think different is the word I would say.
I want to ask you about your short-term goals that you are looking right now and a long-term goals of your career.
Long term is obviously like playing the Grand Slam and winning the Grand Slam for India, and then playing the Olympics and winning it for India, for sure. But short term, I would say right now I'm in 700s in the rankings, so getting up to 500, 400s in the rankings in next year, and winning few bigger titles and competing in the higher events, for sure.
And one message that you have to give to all the young girls who want to pick up a racket, उनके लिए एक अच्छा special motivating message from our Medium Sports tonight.
So I would just say that go out there, have fun, don't stress out when you're so young. Just go out there. If you enjoy playing tennis, keep it as a fun part of your journey. Don't stress out when you're very young, and just dream big, go for it, and it will happen.
So, ladies and gentlemen, a national champion and international medalist and ranked among top 10 Indian players, Akanksha Niture. Akanksha, thank you for joining us in this conversation sports tonight. I wish you all the best. और आप ऐसे ही भारत के लिए मेडल जीते और हर कोर्ट में जाकर विपक्षियों के सामने पॉइंट जीते और मैच जीते और हम सभी को गौरवान्वित फील करवाए। हमारा जो तिरंगा है ऐसे ही लहराते रहे और आपका नाम, भारत का नाम आपके जर्सी पे जो लिपटा हुआ है, ऐसे ही लिपट कर आप मैचेस जीतते रहे, यही मैं आशा करता हूँ। और आपके साथ आप इंस्पायर करें, जैसे कि बहुत सारे यंग प्लेयर्स इंस्पायर हो चुके हैं। आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फ्रॉम अ मीडियम स्पोर्ट्स टुनाइट।
Thank you so much for having me.
थैंक यू।